If you've never made over $100,000 within a single month, let alone a year, how can pictures on a corkboard get you there within 6 months? In 2018, I asked the same exact question, the year I made my first vision board. After $1 million generated by the age of 22, I have the answer for you. I am a believer. If you couldn't tell, vision board, vision board, vision board, vision board, vision board. I got another vision board right here. I got another one I'm working on that you're gonna see in this video. Who am I to tell you that a piece of paper on a cork board is gonna get you rich in the next 6 months? My name is Roy Gonzalez and I've built over 3 six-figure companies over the past few years, and I'm only 22 years old. What's my secret? You guessed it. It's the vision boards. Now, because this video is about visuals, I think it's better that I show you rather than tell you. So let's go over a few things that have came true from these little wonky vision boards behind me. Now, this is a video I wanted to make for a very long time. Vision boards have completely changed my life, if you couldn't tell. And honestly, I really just want to make it for my friends. So if you are my friend and you are watching this video, please watch the whole thing. I made this for you for a reason, so you can get rich in the next 6 months. And if you're not my friend, well, hit the subscribe button and we can be friends. Now you're one of my friends. All my friends, go ahead, watch this entire video. I'm gonna show you how to get rich. This is my first ever vision board, all right? Now, back in the day, Yeezys was popping, so I wanted every single pair, and I got every single pair at the time. As you see at the top, I have my gaming chair. That's actually the chair that I'm sitting in right now. I wanted to pull $700 out of the ATM, and I was able to do that. I don't know why that was my vision board. I wanted an Apple Watch. I bought an Apple Watch, and I wanted my first designer piece. I bought 3 of those. On to the second vision board I've ever made. I wanted to move out at the age of 19, and that's exactly what I did. But I didn't want to just move out into any regular apartment, right? I wanted the floor to ceiling windows, as every 19-year-old. That's exactly what I got. I gotta remember, I wanted to be a rapper, so I wanted to perform in front of a huge crowd, which I did 3 times. I was also a TikToker, if you guys didn't know, and I wanted 300,000 followers on TikTok. I surpassed that twice. Now, this is my third vision board and probably one of my most proud ones. I put the most amount of time into this one, and this is when I really learned the secrets that I'm about to share to you on how to make things come true. I had never ridden a jet ski before. I've been on like 5 jet skis now. It's actually boring to me now. I wanted a white Lambo. I got a white Lambo. I wanted to hire a team. My team is hired and I love my team. I wanted to travel a lot. I've never been like the traveling type, so I wanted to kind of step outside my comfort zone. I'm never doing that again. I traveled too much this year. I've sat on a plane way too many times. We have a vacation with my girlfriend, which is exactly what I did. I wanted a fully automated wholesale business, which is what I have now. And I also wanted to make $30,000 to $60,000 a month. I currently make $40,000 a month. Now, this fourth vision board is more of a shorter one. This is kind of like when I got into my designer era, when I wanted to make my own clothing brand. This is an example of what I wanted the PJs to look like in real life. They hadn't even came out yet. And this is what I wanted the models to look like. And I think, yo, real quick, so I'm editing the video right now, and I realized that the vision board that I created in the video, you'll see right here, I put the M4 right there. If you couldn't tell, vision boards have helped me stay focused on what I want and when I want it throughout my journey. There are a lot of distractions in the world, so it's good to have a staple that you can come to every single day and know what you're working towards. I can guarantee you that it will help you and almost anyone. But when do you actually know that you need one? If you're an entrepreneur, a music artist, a designer, an aspiring business owner, any type of high achiever, athlete, look, these are going to be very helpful for you. Also really good for people who experience lack of focus. If you have a hard time visualizing success, inconsistent motivation, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go down, and you're just like, I don't even know why I'm doing this anymore. You need a vision board. Poor alignment with long-term goals, meaning you set a goal, but your actions now are not aligned with that goal. You probably need some type of vision board to remind yourself what you're supposed to be doing every single day, which also leads into feeling overwhelmed or just aimless. Like you don't even know what you're supposed to do. Like I said, if you have that long-term goal on your vision board, all you have to do is reverse engineer what you're supposed to do every single day to get to that long-term goal. You wake up and you do the most important things that will take you from point A to point B. I've been making vision boards since I was 17 years old, so I've had a few years to kind of like test different things because I'm always trying new things when it comes to making vision boards, and I saw what works and what doesn't work. Although this method can be very powerful, you could approach it the wrong way where it just ends up being useless and you look dumb. Don't look dumb. All right, so let's go over a few lies people talk about when it comes to this method. You don't need a vision board for one specific thing. It's not only to hit your goals. It can actually just be able to plan a brand or understand an aesthetic that you're going for. I have some when I wanted to be a music artist. I have some when I wanted to drop a clothing brand that you'll see. I have some for my YouTube channel. This one's gonna be more entrepreneurship. Now they're all focused towards entrepreneurship, but I went through phases. Or I wanted to be a music artist, then I wanted to be a clothing brand designer. Make a vision board according to the phase that you're going through. And I wouldn't make them go out 10 years, all right? Do 3 to 6 months, you change. As a human, we naturally change. So your vision board wants to catch up to when you change. It doesn't matter if you didn't complete everything on the vision board, just put it on the next vision board if you still want it, and actually figure out why you didn't get it within those 6 months, and then create a game plan, reverse engineer from back to front to actually how to achieve that goal. Because if you see that you're putting something on the vision board and it's not coming true, and you have to put it on the next one, and then you have to put it on the next one, you keep reprinting it. I have those too, hence a YouTube plaque button. All right, it's annoying, but I'm not doing the things that I need to be doing to hit that YouTube plaque button. So that means I need to be doing something different. Vision boards will tell you what needs to change. All right, and nothing changes if nothing changes. So if you actually want to hit this, and it's been on your vision board for the past 6 months, then you should probably change something. Maybe you're doing something wrong. Now for the next 6 months, what can I do better that I didn't do this 6 months to actually hit the goal? If you don't believe in the vision board, it's not gonna come true. If you don't pay attention to the vision board, it's not gonna come true. You have to truly believe in the vision board. I don't want you to think this is some woo-woo, spiritual, some type of thing that's gonna take you to the next level. No, your brain will connect it with reality, because your brain doesn't know what's real and what's not. So it's gonna see that picture of that Lamborghini and think that you have a Lamborghini. And through that, it will highlight opportunities that you probably haven't seen before that will align you with the Lamborghini. The point is, believe in the vision board. Actually know that it's going to come true. And whenever you have doubt, do some type of mental reset. Look at that vision board and understand you are able to have every single thing on that vision board. I have a Grammy on my vision board. I still can get a Grammy. I wanted to meet XXXTentacion. I can't do that. I wanted one of the biggest clothing brands in the world. I can still do that. Understand that these people on these vision boards, or whatever you put on your vision board, is owned by someone, and everybody's booty hole stank. That's what I've been telling myself the past few months. Everybody booty hole stank. They're just like you. They wake up, they piss, they shit, they sleep, and they booty hole stank just like you. Make sure you place your vision board in a place you can see it every day. Don't put it in a closet. Every time you wake up, you make it a ritual to actually come sit down at your vision board and just think and visualize. For the first 5 minutes of your day, come to a place where you can see your vision board. Stare at it. Just admire it. See yourself living the vision board. All right, if there's Lambo in it, see yourself driving the Lambo. If it's buying your mom a house, see yourself handing your mom the keys. Close your eyes and make the vision board come true in your head. And do this for 5 minutes every single day, and then start your day. What that's gonna do is you're gonna carry that feeling throughout your day. All right, and you're gonna make decisions and take action based on that feeling. That's going to align you with the vision board even more. Another thing is, don't be so materialistic. That's something that I struggle with. That being my first vision board, all you see is money, Lambos, and BMWs and stuff like that. It actually slows down your process, because you are more than just getting money. Probably one of the worst things you can do, just in terms of yourself mentally and really messing up the manifestation, is just showing the universe you're not grateful for what you have currently. All the materialistic possessions that you have right now, you're not grateful for them. And what will happen is God or the universe, whatever you believe in, is going to take it away from you. So stop looking so much into the future. Yes, have some materialistic things on there. I got materialistic things on mine, right? But focus on all 4 realms of health. Focus on your physical health. Focus on your mental health. Focus on your spiritual health. Focus on your social health. Add these 4 elements on your vision board so it has balance. You don't want to just be some guy who's out here trying to get money. Over the years, this is something I wish I learned even sooner. All right, so make sure your vision board has balance. Now, if I had a lab coat, I'd throw it on, but I know you guys probably want to know, what is the actual science behind the vision board? So let me go ahead and break down why vision boards work, why they make people money, why the top celebrities in the world have exposed themselves saying, hey, I have a vision board. How 9 out of 10 successful people or high achievers have a vision board. How will this make you some money over 6 figures in the next 6 months? How has it worked for me over the past 4 years? This is the science behind it right here. The science behind vision boards is rooted in the visualization and focus. When you create a vision board, you're constantly seeing images of your goals, which helps your brain stay focused on achieving them. This activates something called the RAS, the reticular activation system in your brain, which filters information and highlights opportunities related to your goals. By looking at your vision board daily, you're training your brain to recognize opportunities, make decisions, and take actions that align with your goals. This also keeps you motivated and more likely to stay on track, because the visual reminders help reinforce your desire to achieve what you set out to accomplish. But you're not going to get anywhere just taping a bunch of pictures of Lambos. So in order to actually get the future you want, use these 5 elements to start seeing instant results within the next 90 days. Now, before we get into the 5 elements, I want you to know I'm going to be doing it with you. I'm not here to give you a game plan and not do it myself. So as I explain this, we're going to build out my vision board for all of 2025. Now, I do have some super deep in the future things on here, but you'll get the gist of the 5 elements that I have on my board that I suggest you add to yours as well to make it radioactive. Now, when it comes to the 5 elements to make your vision board radioactive, we're going to do who, what, when, wins, and why. Let's break it down. Number 1, Who are you doing this for? Also, you can use who as who are you trying to become. So on your vision board, you should have either people that inspire you. This can be mom, this can be girlfriend, this can be dad, this can be brothers, this can be siblings. Put someone who inspires you to keep going, because whenever you feel weak, whenever you want to give up, you're gonna look at that person, you're gonna remember, I'm doing it for them. Number 2, what exactly do you want? And I want you to be very specific, okay? I want you to think about if you're ordering a burger from the universe and the universe brings you a burger with some tomato, but you didn't want tomato because you didn't like tomato, but you never told the universe you didn't like tomato, you just said you wanted the burger. You get it? Be specific, all right? So if you want a Lamborghini, what color is the interior? What color is the exterior? You want a house? Where is the house at? What street is the house on? What is the design of the house? What is the color of the roof of the house? Do you want a specific aesthetic? What type of aesthetic do you want? Who do you want to look like? Who are your inspirations in that aesthetic? You want to make $50,000 next month. Okay, how much is that as profit? What was your expenses to hit that? Who's on your team? What was your day-to-day to hit $50,000 next month? I want you to write this all down and find a way to put it in a picture form. What does it take to hit $50,000? Can you put this in a picture form? You want a brand new watch. What type of watch? What color? What size does the watch have to be to fit your wrist? When do you want it by? Stop just putting random things on the vision board. Are we trying to get this within the next 3 months? Within the next 6 months? Within the next year? Put a little date on the back of it. Put a little date on the front of it where you can see I'm going to have this by this date and time. Create some urgency. Then reverse engineer the date that you need to get it from where you are now and create a blueprint to get there. Wins. I want you to put some past wins, some small wins, and some big wins. So for the past wins, I want you to put some past wins that you've had in your lifetime on the vision board. What this is going to connect with your brain is you can do it because you've done it before. So when your brain connects wins that you've already experienced with future wins, it's like, oh shit, we did that, we can do it again. Put some small wins, put some checkpoints that you want to achieve on the journey. Okay, you want to hit $50,000 in a month? Put $10,000 up there first. Okay, cross it out. Then put $30,000 up there. Okay, cross it out. Now you can put that $50,000 up there. Make it a journey. And then big wins. Put the big picture on the vision board. What are we trying to get to? I want you to tell a story of a journey towards your higher self on this vision board. That's the whole point. And then why. I like to put quotes for this. This can also fit in the who category, but why you need to keep going. Why you're capable of doing this. I like to usually use quotes or tweets or any type of messaging to really help me stay motivated when it comes to the why I'm doing this and why I'm capable. That's all I got about vision board. If you guys enjoyed this video, please comment down below, because these are actually one of my favorite types of videos to make. I know we talk a lot about real estate on this channel, so if you guys do want that blueprint to learn how to make 6 figures, and just look around the channel, you'll stumble across 6 figures. But videos like these really actually make me happy. These are the videos that I want to make, so I'm glad I was able to share this with you guys. Remember, don't be so materialistic. All of this, it comes and goes. Everything in the 3D, this watch, it comes and goes, right? Doesn't matter. Focus on things that actually matter, such as your physical, your mental, your spiritual, your social, and of course add that financial last, but make sure you're balanced. Also, don't overthink this. Don't procrastinate. Go take action now. All a vision board is your higher self in the next 6 months. Think about where you want to be, who you want to be, and who you want to be surrounded by in the next 6 months. It doesn't have to be the prettiest. Be proud of your vision board, and I want to see it. So take a picture of it. Tag @MoneyBagRoy on Instagram, and I'll take a look at it, like it, and I'll root for you the whole way. Also, don't make it longer than 6 months. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Peace out.